Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I found this really cool Halloween candle holder on Kirkland's website. It's too big for a dollhouse, so I want to make it mini. I got these chess pieces from a garage sale, and I knew they would come in handy. And I was right. I found the perfect pieces. I think I'll make 2 different sizes. I found these little skulls at the Dollarama. Once I remove them from the lace, I'll be ready to start. I'm keeping all the lace for future projects. And all I have to do is just glue on the skull heads to the chess pieces. And I also made some quick, messy candles to go with it. Cool! I like how they turned out. Tell me what you think down below. This next dupe from Wayfair is really easy. That's it. Thanks for watching. Happy Halloween.